I think we have a bright, bright future ahead of us. I've been proud of the work that I've done with my colleague, Councilmember Lilligren, with the mayor and others to make Minneapolis a great city. But we have got to do more. We have great progress ahead of us, and we have to make sure it's with everybody. So I am happy to talk with folks about what my vision is for the community and how we can all work together. I have made some commitments for the first 100 days about how we can work together. But the vision and our future is bright in the city of Minneapolis, and I know that the Somali community is at the heart of our city, is at the heart of our growth as a community. And I am pleased to be here with you tonight, and I humbly ask for your support. Thank you.